Flemings Seals and Polymers searched the market for a turning centre, and Hurco came up with the goods. They've recently invested in a Hurco TM8i machine, and Ash is operating this machine. But I know one of the main reasons and features why you went for this is that control system.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to use. Conversational programming is a lot easier than any other program system that I've used.
But you are actually working on 3 other machines, and by far you told me that you prefer this over those.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's just so much easier. It's just a lot simpler and idiot-proof, to be quite honest.
But it's the fact that you have small batch work as your main application, so why does this suit you so well?
Because it's a lot quicker to set and operate. I can turn work round in about 15 minutes turn time. Setting the machine, programming, so it makes it a lot quicker, a lot easier to use.
So a lot of people will offline program. Do you do that? But you can do that at this machine.
Yes, you can. You can while the machine's in operation, you can use the control panel to program the next job, the job after. So you're always one step ahead.
And why do you find it so much easier? You know, is it the touch screen? Is it the menus?
Yeah, the menu buttons. Touch screen, it's by far easier. The menu button, help buttons. You can get from one section to another section a lot quicker with a touch screen rather than going through different menu settings to get to the area you want to do.
So what's your personal background though? Because I know you've learnt G-codes in a very, very small space of time, and for you this just works. So tell me more about yourself.
Yeah, I started about 14 years ago on NC machines, doing it the old style. Working things out, having to write full programs from start to finish, having to check through it. So obviously this machine now is a lot easier to use because I don't have to do any of that. I don't need to work things out. I literally put in what I need to put in and it works it all out for me.
And are there any other features on the control system that you like, and the machine itself?
Yeah, the bar grabber. It makes small batch work a lot easier, a lot quicker. Space saving because you don't have the multi-feed. And yeah, just speeds it up.
I guess being an engineer in the 21st century, these control systems make your life so much easier.
Oh yeah, a lot easier. Find it's easy to focus on one part of the program, one part of the graphics, so you can zoom in, you can see if there's any errors, mistakes, tool collisions, so yeah, it is a lot better. I also like the fact that when you are programming, it throws up error messages during the tool, so you've got peace of mind, so you know you're not going to make a mistake.
Perfect. And just really quickly before we finish, you had direct contact with Hurco over COVID times in terms of training, so how did you find that?
I thought it was brilliant. They came, they adhered to all social distancing requirements, and you know, I got the best training that I could have done, and you know, it worked perfect for me.
And have you had to phone them since?
No, not at all. I think on the day it was that good that I've not required it.